Oh, pass to Moe, pass to Moe. Oh, and pivot. Okay, shoot. Okay, whoa. Oh, they're playing some kind of game. Moe wants to play. What is netball?
Netball's a team sport, so there's 7 players on each team, and the goal is to get the ball into the goal, as many goals as you can, and the team with the most goals win.
What were those things everyone was wearing with letters on them?
Oh, so those are the bibs.
Are they having trouble eating? Messy eaters?
Different kind of bibs.
Okay.
So the bibs are so that every player knows what position they are on court.
So, are there different positions in netball?
Yeah.
What are some of the positions you can play?
Well, there's wing attack, wing D, and like goal keep.
What is the C for?
The C stands for centre.
Centre.
I stand in the centre of the court and have to pass it to all my other members of my team.
Right. What position are you playing today?
Goal shoot.
So, what's the job of the goal shoot?
You just shoot the ball in the hoop.
All right. Do you get the ball in the net every single time?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. What happens if you miss?
It doesn't matter.
You just try again?
Yeah.
Oh.
You shoot. Nice.
Moe's played basketball before. Is netball kind of like basketball?
Well, in basketball you can move around with the ball, but in netball you have to stay still and you have to pass it around. You can't move.
Oh. So if you get the ball, you can't just run with it?
No, you can't.
So you're just passing from teammate to teammate?
Yeah.
Oh. How do you get good at passing?
Definitely takes a lot of practice.
Okay.
There's different types of passing.
Oh.
So there's chest pass, bounce pass, overhead, shoulder pass.
Whoa.
So the better you can get, the more options you have on court. Make sure you follow through. Okay, Moe.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Moe's
See
ready.
if you can catch this one.
Oh. Throw.
Okay, get ready. I'm going to bounce pass now.
Okay. Catch.
Oh, nice, Moe.
Okay. Bounce pass.
Oh, well done.
Moe's quite keen on shooting the goals. Would that mean Moe plays goal shoot?
Yes.
Is it a fun position to play?
Yeah,
Do you think Moe could have a turn?
of course.
Yes.
And play.
Oh, game on. Okay. Moe's open.
Good girls. Hands up. Good D.
Oh, here it comes.
Nice.
Whoa, it's moving fast.
Yes, Merkel.
Oh.
Good hands.
Oh, pass to Moe, pass to Moe. Oh, and pivot. Okay, shoot. Yes, it went in. Moe and friends.